We'll guide you through how to use Paint.net mapping to enhance your images with detailed textures and effects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Paint.net on your desktop. Once you have your image loaded, you'll want to go to the Effects menu located at the top of the screen. From there, navigate to Render and select Texture to begin mapping textures onto your image. This is where you can choose different texture effects to apply to your image surface, creating a dynamic and realistic look. Next, a dialog box will pop up allowing you to adjust various settings such as scale, rotation, and intensity of the texture. You can experiment with these settings to see how they affect your image, making sure to preview the changes as you go. If you want to add depth to your image, you can also use the Emboss effect found under the Stylize menu. This will give your image a three-dimensional appearance by enhancing shadows and highlights. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, make sure to click OK to apply the changes. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always press Ctrl+Z to undo and try different combinations until you achieve the desired look. You can also combine multiple textures and effects by applying them in layers for a more complex result. Remember to save your work frequently as you go along, so you don't lose any progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.